Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, February 13, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David. How are you today?
I am okay, but I am very tired.
You look tired. Do you need a coffee?
Yes, please. I need a big coffee. Black coffee, no sugar.
Here is a cup. The machine is slow today.
Everything is slow today. I am slow too.
Did you have a busy night?
Yes. I was reading the news on my computer. I stayed up until 1 o'clock.
That is very late. You need to sleep more.
I know. But the news is crazy this week. Did you see the news?
I saw some headlines. I did not read the articles yet. I was busy with the new project.
You are always busy. You need to relax.
I like my work. But tell me, what is happening in the world?
Well, the first story is about money and ships. It is bad for my sales.
Is it the story about the Arctic?
Yes, you did see it. It was in the New York Times on February 10.
Yes, I saw the title. The Arctic shipping ban.
Exactly. They are stopping all the ships in the north.
I think it is important. The ice is melting fast.
I understand the ice is important. But Alex, think about the business.
What is the problem for business?
The ships cannot go the short way now. They must go the long way.
So the trip is longer?
Much longer. It takes 10 more days and it costs more money.
How much more?
The article says shipping prices go up by 40%.
40%? That is a big number.
It is huge. My clients are not happy. They want their products now.
I understand. But David, if the ice melts, we have a bigger problem.
I know. But right now I have a sales problem. Everything is expensive.
It is a difficult situation. Economics versus the environment.
It is always difficult. I just want to sell my products easily.
Maybe the prices will go down next month.
I hope so. I really hope so.
What else did you read? Was there any technology news?
Yes, there was a big story in the Wall Street Journal. It was on February 11.
Let me guess. Is it about the new phones?
No, not phones. It is about the eyes.
The eyes? You mean the smart contact lenses?
Yes, the smart lens recall. Did you read it?
I heard about it on the radio. They are taking them back, right?
Yes, the company is recalling all of them. Millions of lenses.
Why? Are they dangerous for your eyes?
No, they are comfortable. The problem is privacy.
Ah, I see. Because of the cameras.
Yes, the lenses record video all the time. Everything you see.
That is very scary, David. Imagine if I record you and you do not know.
I think it is cool, like a spy movie or James Bond.
It is not cool for a meeting. Imagine we are in a private meeting.
And I am recording everything with my eyes. Click, click.
Exactly. It is not right. People need secrets.
The article says the government wants to ban them completely.
I agree with the government. We have too many cameras already.
But imagine the fun. You can watch your day again on your computer.
I do not want to watch my day again. One time is enough.
You are too serious, Alex. Technology is fun.
Technology is useful, but we need rules. Privacy is a rule.
Okay. No spy cameras for you.
Thank you. Is there any good news? Or just expensive ships and spy cameras?
There is one more story. It is interesting. It was in USA Today on February 12.
What is the topic? Sports?
No, it is about schools and kids.
Oh, what is happening in schools?
The headline is the 4-day school week.
4 days? You mean no school on Friday?
Correct. The government wants to close schools on Fridays.
Permanently? Every week?
Yes, every week. A 3-day weekend for every student.
Wow, the kids must be very happy.
I am jealous. I want a 3-day weekend too.
But wait, this is a problem for parents.
Why is it a problem? Kids are at home, they are safe.
But the parents are at work, David. We are here on Friday.
Oh, I did not think about that.
If the kids are home, who watches them?
Maybe a babysitter?
That costs money, a lot of money.
The article says it is good for mental health. The kids are less stressed.
I believe that. School is hard. Kids are tired.
Exactly. They need to play more.
But the parents will be more stressed. They have to work and find childcare.
Maybe the offices should close on Friday too.
That is a nice dream, David. But we have deadlines.
Imagine, No work on Friday, we can sleep late.
And who will answer the emails?
The computer can answer the emails.
Not yet. We still need to work.
Well, the article says 5 states are trying this new law next month.
It will be interesting to see the results.
I think it will be chaos, but fun chaos.
Everything is fun for you. The spy lenses, the short week.
Life is short, Alex. We need to have fun.
You are right. But we also need to pay the bills.
Speaking of bills, I need to sell my products, even with the expensive ships.
Yes, we should go back to our desks.
Is your coffee finished?
Yes, it is empty. I am ready for the day.
I have a meeting in 10 minutes with the boss.
Good luck. Do not mention the 4-day week to him.
No, I will not. He likes to work 7 days a week.
Okay. I have a team meeting at 9:30.
We are very busy people.
Yes, we are. Have a good meeting, David?
You too, Alex. See you at lunch, maybe.
Maybe. If I finish my report, see you later.
Bye, Alex. Have a good one.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.